lovelies, welcome back to the channel. It is time for another Witch's Moon unboxing, which always brings me so much joy. The second I open, because this box comes inside the box that it's shipped in. The second I opened the box that this was in, I got like a blast of something kind of lemony, so I'm interested, but let's just pop this right off. Ooh. I'm really hoping I have all of these organized, because there's this one and then there's the other one that I have here I'm waiting to do. But I've like convinced myself I have a third one here, but I don't think that makes sense with the timelines. Maybe I'm thinking of one I've already unboxed, but then if there is another one that I'm supposed to be unboxing, I don't know where it is. So the only way that could be a possibility is if my boyfriend has put it somewhere weird that I can't find it. So I don't know what's in my head, but it's making me nervous basically. But let's see what's in here. First of all, we have our personalized oracle reading, and it's this like gorgeous tree here on the front. And on the back it says, the blessing of omnipresence. Breathe in light and breathe out any unwanted thoughts. Dwelling on what has been or might have been serves no purpose. Feel the healing omnipresent light that surrounds and fills you. Focus on the present, for it is blessed with infinite potential. I really like that. I think that is really great advice and something that I really need to be mindful of, because I do tend to dwell on things. And I think sometimes you really do just need to and let it the fuck go. Easier said than done, but I do think it's important, so that is wonderful. Right here is the table of contents that will tell us about everything that's in this box. If you're new here, I read this out at the end because I like surprises, and then if there's anything in the box that I don't understand or don't know about, I find out at the end, so it's fine, don't you worry. So right on top we have a beautiful piece of artwork. Oh, I just really love this. Oh, so this is what it looks like. Like, that is just gorgeous. There's so much information on there. I can't wait to read through this later. And then, oh lovely, there's a little, another piece of artwork, but it's a cleansing mantra. And this is what it looks like. So again, that's very nice. Today I actually am feeling quite joyful and peaceful after another period of being in a bad sort of headspace, so that is really nice. Today I do just feel like I can breathe. The past 2 days I've been going out on nice little nature walks. The first one was with my mum, the second one was with Jake, and that has really helped ground me and make me feel better. And then as well as that, before that we were at summer in the city, so I got to see a lot of friends that I don't usually get to see, so I'm finally just feeling in a much better headspace than I have felt in a while. So I hope I can pass on some of those good vibes to any of you watching at home, because I know life can be hard sometimes. Oh, okay, so there's a lot of interesting stuff going on here. Okay, right, first of all, we're just going to pick up some little herb sachets. So we have some ground sage, that's always good to have. We have some hyssop, and we have some elf leaf. I wonder what elf leaf is. Let me have a sniff. Rosemary, I think? My guess for that would be rosemary. If not, we will find out what it really is at the end. That is lovely. And I do actually want to make a like very herbal planty bath soak someday soon. I'll probably make a video if I do, but yeah, so it's good. There's a couple of little herbs here that I wanted to put in that we've got, like the sage, and if that is rosemary, rosemary was one that I wanted, so that's perfect. Ooh, next up we have our bath salts, and this is Consecrate Sacred Salt. That's really nice. Oh my god, that smells like something from my childhood. Holy crap. I can't get what it is, but it is definitely like bringing little sort of childhood flashbacks to me. Wow. Oh, it smells gorgeous. I wouldn't be able to tell you what it smells like though. We'll have to find out at the end, but I feel like I can maybe see some sage in there. We will see. Next up we have our oil. Oh, wasn't too hard to open this time. And this is Banish Oil. Ooh. That minty, I feel like this is quite a minty one, but also like something else. I don't know if it's something floral in the background. Whatever that is actually a really lovely combination of smells. I really like that. Okay, right, we've got some interesting things going on, so let me pick up this. So, God, this, I feel like this would have been difficult to do. This is a cool little carving. I'm not sure if, oh, do you know what? I bet something goes on this. Because, you know, you can put it upright like this, but it does sort of naturally settle. into like a little stand position, but it looks like they would have had to have carved this all from one piece of wood and then carved these links. I can't see any other way of doing it, so that is really interesting. Let me just see. Yeah, that does, like, I bet something goes on top of that. That is really cool. And it very much reminds me of the school I went to. For anyone who doesn't know, I went to a Waldorf school. So I went to the Hollywood Steiner school, and this kind of like woven carved wood and stuff, things like that very much remind me of my school. So that's cool. I wonder if whatever goes on top of it is in this box. Perhaps that, ooh, this might be, ooh, is that a shell? Ooh, what are you? Guys, you know how I feel about shells. And I think that's what we've got here, but it's like a very spiky one. Wow! So yeah, it is indeed. So this is the inside, you can see, but then the outside is like very spiky. That's cool. Let me just try it with the little stand here. It fits perfectly. Well, that's cool. Oh, we've got a lovely little sort of white satin pouch here with some sort of rock. And it is, ooh, oh, I've seen this before, but I forget the name. So this is like a very blue rough stone. I don't know if it's like, if the blue will really show through on the camera. It might just look gray, but it is like a very blue stone. So that's cool. Oh, here we go. We have a little bundle. So this smells very lemony. What is this? Maybe it just smells lemony because it's been on top of the incense, actually. This looks kind of like rosemary, but I'm not sure if that's what it is. But you know, then you can use the little dish for this. Yes, excellent. Okay, good. We have our incense. Are you the source of the lemony smell? Yes, this is the lemony smell. That's why the whole box smelled like lemon. We have our candle. Everything has a very white, like creamy white theme this month. Well, this box. Oh, that beeswax smell. So it's like a lovely white beeswax candle, and it looks like it is being rolled in elf leaf, which I'm assuming is rosemary. I could be wrong. But yes, lovely. Oh, and there is a, I was gonna say, do we not get it? We do. Here is the little spell that goes with it, and this is the silencing. And then finally, there is a little box here, and this contains, oh, a lovely pendant of some sort. Wow, okay, so on one side, it looks like this. And on the other side, it looks like this. That is gorgeous. I'm excited to find out more about that. Okay, let's see what all we got. So this box's theme is the clearing. So first of all, we got a spiny oyster shell. Yes, that's what that shell is from. Being hand-picked and ethically sourced from beneath the ocean's floor, off the waters of South America specifically for this purpose. And it's used to bring patience and understanding into our mental and emotional state, as well as providing us with the subtle strength to see your practices through to the end. Large hand-carved tripod pedestal, yes. Wonderful piece adds to the natural energy that is created during your clearing rituals. It could also be used with an abalone shell and an appropriately sized crystal ball. You could use that for a little crystal ball. Lovely. Rosemary sage bundle. Yes, okay, so that does have rosemary. I can't see the sage in it. Maybe. I can definitely see the rosemary. Very prominent herb in the craft. Rosemary carries with it a long list of beneficial effects and uses. Cleansing mantra, Book of Shadows artwork. Yes, we got that. 3 rays of witchcraft pewter pendant with chain. Yes. Designed by an award-winning author, teacher, and healing practitioner. Wow. This pendant brings with it the energy of the 3 rays of witchcraft, resembling love, wisdom, and power, implemented by our will. The silencing rolled spell candle, yes. And while doing this, you allow prior thoughts, emotions, and mental chatter to slowly start to dissipate. And it's being rolled in rosemary buds, as well as anointed with a special mixture of clearing magic spray. Banish magical oil, being created with the intention of dispelling negative and unwanted energies from around you. And it has rosemary, spearmint, ylang ylang, and herbs of ground sage, rosemary, and spearmint as well. So yeah, that's why I was getting mint, but also something quite floral. It's such a nice combination. And inside there's also a Lemurian quartz. Also included in this blend is a special mixture of Be Gone magical oil. Consecrate sacred salt. We've enchanted this sacred salt with myrrh, frankincense, and cypress oils, as well as eucalyptus and ground sage. Also a special mixture of aura cleansing magical oil. Clarity incense sticks. Yes. Blue sodalite crystal. Powerful great journey stone. Hyssop, a true protective and purifying agent. You can use it within tinctures, sachets, and bath salts. That's good to know. Ground sage, elf leaf, yeah, rosemary. is one of the oldest agents of incense. It's been used in the old world and is one of the most common among the witches' herbal tools. Stag moon / July Esbat and full moon Book of Shadows artwork, yes. I am a little bit behind with these boxes, I apologize. Personalized oracle reading, yes. And a piece of parchment paper, yes. Okay, so that's everything in this box. I'm gonna run off before that dies. Please do remember to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know just what's going on with you and if you enjoyed this box. And if you haven't yet, consider checking out my Patreon. The link is down below and it's a great way to support this channel. So thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye lovelies!
Thank you.